going far away.
Ano, dapat may punishment, ganun.
Ano, wag na. Oh, what is life?
And you can't add when we're battling.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's... Okay. I have a life hack.
Wow, what's that?
Right.
What's happening?
Go,
Why is
friend.
it harsh here?
Go, friend. Go, friend. Friend power, let's go.
I will use
Wala
my...
na ako.
Ang bilis to, ano pa
Oh
naman?
my God, ang daya!
Ano yun?
Bagsak po kayo, tara na!
Ilalaban ko ang Pokemon ko.
Ano, what else? Perform or
Ano?
something.
Perform?
Ano, life mo to.
Jihan.
Guess na
Go,
ako.
Pikachu!
Do something, do something.
Nabi!
Ano, twerk.
Nabi!
twerk.
Nabi!
Twerk on the camera. Let's
Nabi
twerk.
hump! Nabi hump! Nabi, Nabi, Nabi. Nabi, come here, come here. Nabi, hump.
Thank you for that twerking action. Oh,
Nabi, help for that. Nabi, help.
oh. What's happening?
I think it's better when you were twerking.
Oh.
Don't
Want to
use
see me
the-
twerk?
Yay! I think it's
Yay!
your page yung hindi ka malakas.
Ang bilis siya.
Ano, kanta ka para sa kanila. Sing for them.
Ako?
Yeah.
Anong?
Sing, ikaw ba yun?
Ang hirap.
Well, you want to win, right? You have 1 minute to...
Okay. Highlight.
Pag kumanta si Jiyoung, guys, ipanalo niyo na yan.
Ang puso ay nalubay
You have to win this.
ng kahit-tagay. Nuning na yun, nandito na ikaw.
It's live mo to ah.
Yes, live vocals.
May kapal, biyaya ka sa buhay ko. Ligayang pag-ibig ko, ikaw. Help!
Wow, what a beautiful voice.
Nabi, help! Joe,
You have 18 seconds.
guys,
You're...
I lose definitely.
So sorry. Hindi ko sila matigilan.
My main vocal era is done.
Tapos yung laban pag nilabas yung Golden Mike. Hindi siya lumabas. Like, even the wings, they weren't out yet.
Time to cry.
Oh.
See? The fire is off. My wish didn't...
So what happens if I win?
You win.
hindi ko alam.
Ikaw magtutwerk.
Oh my god! I can't do it right now. I'm just wearing my boots.
I thought you were wearing the Ben 10.
Ay, meron din akong Ben 10 brief. Gusto niya makita?
Oh. Oh. Tingin.
So maraming salamat po ulit to the fan who gave me this.
Wow.
I'm not sure with that.
Dapat ay may parang the Hulk, ganun. Avengers.
Just one. There too.
Wow!
wow.
Same design, different.
So Jiyoung, if you win another match, I'm gonna give you the other one.
I think...
Bagay sa inyo.
Wait, I think we should not rematch so we can invite Wani.
Okay, paano?
No, not yet. The victory lap must be finished first. I think finished. Ayan. Well, Ja, we're gonna try to invite the guy from...
Sana hindi ma-reject ka ulit.
He's always
Yeah,
doing live
yeah.
match as well.
He's doing live match right now. So, anong
Ano gusto mo mamaya?
anong balita for today?
Balita for the day. Ayun. So meron kaming ganap. Pero secret pa siya.
So, can you give a spoiler?
Kaya, basta nagtumbling ako na nagtumbling, kaya pagod na ako.
Nakita mo yung message ko?
I'm gonna check.
You can see his private parts.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Interesting.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Secret.
Anong kausap kayo? Ano
Only the
yun?
winners are allowed to leave.
You're a loser. You're in my life right now. We are a loser. We are the one. We are the children. We are the child of someone. You know that. Yeah, that is Josh. That is Jasmine Henry.
So ito yung chismis, guys. Joke lang.
I'm spying it.
How are you guys?
You're a spy?
What are you doing?
Kaya pala hindi ka nanalo.
Ano, spying it on your phone. I mean, spy. Pusong Pinoy ako.
Saan ka nag-aral?
Sa kanang Philippines. Dito sa Philippines.
Mali,
Ano?
Pilipinas.
Dito sa Philippines. Conch na dito.
Mali. It's, Filipinas.
Pilipinas.
Yes, that's right.
Ano, Wait,
I'm
Let me
gonna
see.
ask someone. Are you a Filipina?
Hindi ko alam yan kasi sa farm ako lumaki.
Oh! Careful!
Hindi
Ako
sa
din.
farm at San Benito.
Eh, ako din. Lumaki ako sa Secret.
Secret. Ano? Bakit secret?
Lumaki ako sa lumaki ako sa iyo, Jiyoung.
Ha? Hot dog.
Hot dog!
Hot dog.
My guys, wish,
Wish best.
Zhao the best for
1075.
his day tomorrow.
Wish Live 1075 at 7 p.m.
You're doing wish mask?
Yes, I'll be the next host.
Sige!
Oh, no.
Thank
Patingin
you.
daw ng content.
Ano, freebie?
Yes, this is the new Jao merch, guys. Pati Jiyoung merch.
Ben 10's hair to pink.
Yes, guys. My Gcash is...
Idadamay ko na sa Jiyoung sa Ben 10 merch namin. Brief lang siya. So if supporters kayo ni Jiyoung, kailangan niyo suotin to. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Jijang.
Thank you so much for the battle. I enjoyed it.
See you soon. Bye,
See you!
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.